Welcome to my store. Remember what I said? Do what I told you to do last. Remember?
Nope. Here's another clamp that you forgot.
Well, we'll need it for the hose. Okay, so we'll leave this all in here and toss. Yeah, put them so I can reach them from inside here.
Why do you take them one at a time?
Because I'm not coordinated enough to handle two things at the same time, son. Why do you ask these questions when you know the answer, my boy?
Because I know the answer. That you're all wonderful and all-knowing and all-talented.
I am a father, of course. Fathers, by definition.
But then you just told me you weren't.
Fathers are changeable creatures. We're wondrous in so many ways. Father's good, father's great, yay father.
I don't know, but
I don't care if you're great. I insist on it.
you not need it anymore?
Yeah, but I want to get this set up so that it's all pretty. That needs to have the liner so that it works. Good thing these shoes don't have holes in the bottom. That would be problematical.
There's not that much more.
No, there's not that much more. See, once we get the planks in it, this will look amazing. We'll do a video after it's all completed and the planks are all... What?
We lost the brick.
You threw a brick into the lake?
It's not a lake, but yes.
Why can't it be a lake?
Okay.
Yeah, but it's got aspirations. It's got goals. It wants to be a lake, son.
Oh, another one almost went.
Well, don't talk so close to the edge.
Well, where else am I supposed to throw them? You're slow.
Fathers are never slow. Fathers just haven't finished it yet.
This one almost fell to me.
You're careless.
No.
You're not careless. You're not careless. You're clumsy. Which is better? Clumsy is better? Oh, look at the size of the slug. Really big slug.
Where'd you put them?
Toss them into the garden. They don't have strawberry plants. I looked around. There's no strawberry plants. Okay. I think we're high enough. Okay. No, that would be capped off with a big flat rock. Okay. Come over here and start passing some of the... Give me some of the gnarly rock.
Gnarly rock? What's gnarly rock?
Canyon rock. Our rock.
Why are you throwing things in the pond?
Well, you started it.
Then you lectured me about it, and then now you're doing it.
Do as I say, not as I do. Has that ever crossed me before? Have I ever told you that before? Son. Have I ever said say as I say, not as I do?
Do as I say, not as I do.
Yeah. Have I ever said that to you before?
Yes.
Okay, so it's nothing new.
Is it better to go like this?
Let me start that. You want to do something? I'm so proud.
When you do this, I'll do that.
No, it's important that this be done so that the water stays up.
It's not going to stay up. It's all just going to go down there.
No, when we put obstructions in the way.
Obstructions?
Ah. You know what an obstruction is, don't you? Have you ever been an obstruction?
Probably.
Probably. Most likely? Constantly. You're a challenging young man to raise. Did you know that? Yes, you are. You know how I have to plot and plan to keep ahead of you?
Really?
Yeah. Why do you think I have to think all the time? Yeah, but they don't have to stay ahead of you.
Unless you're saying I'm smart.
You're way smart. If you were a little dim, it'd be easier. You know?
This side doesn't sound like it. It's not going to stay there forever.
Oh, you mean you only try to put a rock down once? Okay. Okay, give me that rock there.
There's one right there.
No, give me that rock there.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we're going with a theme here. Give me that one there.
That one?
Over, over. Over, over. One. Yeah. Go for it.
Which one? This one?
No, over. Over, over. One more over. There you go.
Thanks. Whoa.
Okay.
What's the theme? Random rock?
Yeah. Well, we have to go random rocks because we got all random. So you got to keep a random pattern going. Because otherwise, we have to go out and get all new rocks. We don't want to do that.
There's a lot of holes over there.
Well, we're going to put bog plants in some of them.
You're gonna cover the entire bog now?
No, it's going to be dirt.
How am I gonna be made over there?
What?
Winter.
No, not at all. We're going to put all the winter type H plants in here that keep trees solid. So they're going to have next year a display that, oh man, it'll look so gorgeous. Okay, give me that rock there, the triangular one.